Hello everyone, welcome back again to another episode of Cook with Mollen. If you are new here, I go by the name Mollen and my content is all about cooking and doing lifestyle vlogs. So guys, as you have seen from the title of the video, today I'm going to show you how to make fabric softener the simplest way ever. So guys, this one can really help you to minimize your home budget. So guys, allow me to get started. So guys, to make your fabric softener, you will need a conditioner base, color and perfume, and then water. For first of all, I'm going to make 5 liters of fabric softener. And I'm going to use 2 liters of hot water, very hot water. You need to boil water first. Like if you are making 5 liters, you need to boil like 2 liters of water. Then the remaining 3 liters, you'll put it later cold. So guys, this is the conditioner base. The first ingredient is the conditioner base. So I'm going to put in the first ingredient, then I'm going to stir it continuously until everything dissolves. So guys, I bought these ingredients at 370 Kenyan shillings, and with this I'm going to make 5 liters of fabric softener. This will take me for 2 to 3 months and I'm going to save a lot. So guys, as you can see, the conditioner has completely dissolved and it has become thicker. So next I'm just going to add the remaining 3 liters of water. This is very cheap and very easy to make. Compared to the prices from the supermarket, you can really save a lot of money. So guys, I'm going to add the remaining 3 liters of water with the help of my niece. So guys, you can try this at home and will love the outcome. It's very easy to make. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Watch, like, leave a comment, and also you can hit that notification bell in case I post another video. You will be always getting notified. So in case you are asking where I bought the ingredients for the softener, I bought them at the building behind Quickmart supermarket at OTC. They sell these detergents. They have the all-purpose, the bleaching, toilet cleaner. They have different types of detergents and they will explain it to you if you don't know how to make it. So after buying, they will explain it to you how to make it. They even indicate numbers, so you will know which one to start with and which one to add next. And for me, this is the first time I'm making it and I'm already loving the outcome. So you can try this. So the next ingredient is color. I'm going to add color. So I have water inside the cup. I'm going to put few drops of the color. My color is in liquid form, but kuna zenye hukuja in powdered form. So I'm going to mix it with my wooden spoon. Remember to always have separate utensils for doing this. Don't use your kitchen utensils at the same time ndo mnakulia. So nenda kuweka hiyo mixture kwa I'm going to put the mixture into the detergent. Let me just call it the detergent. So I'm going to mix it well. And guys, if you feel like you need more color, you can add as much color as you want. But for me, I love this blue. I love it like this. So I'm not going to add more color. I think this is good for me. So I'm just going to stir it until well combined. And for the perfume, they also have different varieties. You can choose according to your preference. So guys, I wanted a purple color because purple goes well with lavender, but they didn't have purple color in stock, so I had to choose blue. And I also changed the perfume and chose Spring Fresh. The perfume I chose is called Spring Fresh, but it's good. It's kind of strong. So next I'm going to add the perfume into the mixture. Then I'm going to mix everything until well combined. And my house is really smelling really nice. Can feel the aroma, yani the lovely smell. Wow, my house is really smelling nice. So after this, I'm going to set it aside for 24 hours, and then I'll show you the final product, the final outcome. So guys, see you after 24 hours. So guys, after 24 hours, I'm back again with the final result. So guys, as you can see, it has become more thicker. I think I'm going to add more water because it's very thick. So I've started to add 1 liter of water, and you can even add more, like 2 liters, because it's very thick. So I'm going to add 1 liter as I stir, and it's really smelling nice. I really love the aroma. I really love this perfume. It's really smelling nice. So I'm going to mix it well, and then I'm going to set aside for like 30 minutes, and then I'll come back again. I'm just going to leave it to settle for 30 minutes, and then I shall be back. So after 30 minutes, this is it. I love it like this now. Not so thick, not so watery, just in between. But I've realized the more you let it settle, the more it becomes thicker. So you can even get 7 liters out of it. The ingredients I bought were for 5 liters, but I can see I'm going to get more than that. So let us see how many liters will I get out of it. So I'm just going to store it in my storage containers, and this will serve me for 2 to 3 months. And I really save a lot of money because the prices at the supermarket are very high. Tunajaribu minimize budget. We are trying to minimize the home budget. So guys, you can also watch my videos. I did a video on how to make all-purpose liquid soap, and also another one I did how to make bleaching detergent. I'm going to attach the links at my description box of this video so you can watch them. And please don't forget to subscribe. If you love my videos, please subscribe, leave a comment, and also give it a thumbs up. So guys, that is it. Already I have the 5 liters, and there are still more remaining inside the bucket. So I'm just going to look for an extra container and put it inside. So that is a 1.5 container. So far I'll be getting 6.5 liters. This is 6.5 liters, and I still have more remaining in the bucket. Wow. So that one I'm just going to use it right away. So that is it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you've liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to leave a comment down there. So guys, see you again in another next one. Bye bye.